Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to trade Bitcoin on Metatrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see the main trading interface, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find the Market Watch panel, which displays all the available trading instruments and their current prices. The Market Watch is your primary hub for accessing different assets, and it's essential for managing which symbols you want to trade. Now right-click anywhere within the Market Watch panel. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Symbols. This option opens up the symbol selection window where you can browse through all available trading instruments and add new ones to your Market Watch. It's the gateway to accessing thousands of different assets, including cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Once the Symbols window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type BTC to filter the results and find Bitcoin-related trading pairs. The system will display all available Bitcoin instruments, which might include different pairs like BTC against USD, UR, or other currencies. Take a moment to review the available options and find the specific Bitcoin pair you want to trade. After locating your preferred Bitcoin symbol, click on it to select it. You'll notice that the symbol is now highlighted in the list. Next, click the Show Symbol button, which is typically located on the right side or bottom of the symbols window. This action adds Bitcoin to your Market Watch panel, making it easily accessible whenever you want to check its price or open a trade. Once you've done that, click OK to close the symbols window and return to your main trading interface. Now, if you look at your Market Watch panel on the left, you'll see Bitcoin listed among your other trading instruments. This gives you quick access to its current bid and ask prices, and you can monitor its price movements in real time. But to get a better visual understanding of Bitcoin's price action and trends, you'll want to open a full chart. To do this, simply click and drag the Bitcoin symbol from your Market Watch panel directly onto the charts area of your Metatrader 5 interface. As soon as you release it, a detailed price chart of Bitcoin will appear, showing you historical price movements, trends, and patterns. This chart is your main tool for analyzing the market and making informed trading decisions. Now that you have the Bitcoin chart open, locate and click the trade icon at the top of the chart. This icon typically looks like a small order button or trading symbol. Clicking it will reveal the order panel, which displays both the sell and buy buttons. These buttons are color-coded, usually with sell in red and buy in blue or green, making it easy to distinguish between the two actions, and that's it. You can now trade Bitcoin directly from this panel by clicking either sell if you believe the price will go down, or buy if you think it will go up. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.